Hey guys, one thing I like to do when I have overripe bananas is banana bread, and I have helpers today, so check it out. Okay, so for our banana bread, we're gonna have our bananas, which we're gonna mash.
Yes.
Flour, sugar, we're gonna get some cinnamon, some baking soda, probably use 2 eggs, which I'm doing my little room temperature trick. I just put them in some warm water and let them sit and trying to bring them to room temperature. I need some butter. Oh good, we have unsalted butter. Okay, so let's level it off.
Me?
Yes.
Okay.
Sweetie, can you hold the bowl steady? Okay, ready to remember? Flat. Good, now dump it in. Great. Okay, into the bowl, into the other bowl. You can dump it. Okay, I'll do that one. Yeah. Next, what you guys are gonna do is you guys are gonna peel the bananas for me.
Let's peel.
Okay.
Okay, banana peeling. This is gonna be easy peasy.
We're gonna peel the bananas and then we're gonna mash them.
Okay. I can't wait to mash the bananas.
Yeah, we're gonna mash those. See, this is where, when they're overripe, this is a really fun.
I can.
You can.
You can do
can.
anything you put this one? You can put anything you put your mind to.
That's right. You can do anything you put your mind to.
I'm doing it.
So, kiddo, remember I taught you how to hold the bowl steady, and then you can work with your hand. Good job. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, why don't you take over? Keep mashing, kiddo.
Me mashing?
Okay, so now we're gonna melt half a cup of unsalted butter. I'm gonna do a little bit less than half a cup of sugar.
I have chocolate. Me too.
So I'm doing a little bit less than half a cup of sugar because I don't like it too sweet, and I don't like the kids having too much sugar.
I am Mr. Pooty Pooty.
Oh my gosh, I'm losing my sous chefs. So you can do this one, and he can do the next one. So 1 teaspoon, please.
Okay, 1 teaspoon. Come.
Okay, so dump it in here, please. Good. Nice job. Okay, let me check it. Perfect.
We're eating for
This is also a really basic recipe. This is kind of the basic ingredients of a banana bread. You can add pecans, you can add walnuts. We don't have any of those here right now, but I usually love adding chopped walnuts, but we don't have any, so this is gonna be a simple banana bread. Okay guys, ready?
Yeah, yeah.
And then we're gonna incorporate our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients.
Making like pancakes now.
Yeah.
May I have it?
What's what, sweetie? Oh, no thank you.
What's that? I need music.
Okay, 1 second, please.
We are princess time.
Okay, into the oven. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees. Should be cooked in about an hour. Okay. So it's been about an hour. And it needed a little bit of extra time. It just lifts right out. Isn't that great? So now we're just gonna let it cool. Look at how beautiful. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video, and I'll see you guys soon.